Deep in the jungle, something unbelievable was left to die. An abandoned supercar, covered in mud, rust, and vines. No one knows how it got here, but today, we are bringing it back to life. First, we clear away years of dirt and overgrowth, cutting through thick vines and uncovering the body beneath. Then comes the most satisfying part, a powerful wash, stripping away layers of mud to reveal the original shape hiding underneath. But it's not just dirt, the damage runs deep. We sand away the rust, smooth out every surface, and begin repairing the broken body piece by piece. Now it's time to open the heart of the machine, the engine, carefully cleaning, fixing, and rebuilding every detail until it's ready to roar again. With the structure restored, we move to transformation. A fresh coat of paint completely changes everything, turning this forgotten wreck into a shining supercar. And finally, the moment of truth. The engine starts, the sound echoes through the jungle, and just like that, this lost machine is alive again, from abandoned to unstoppable in just 60 seconds.